student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 10 mensuration exercise 10.3 question number 5. Question number 5 है what is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land 500 meter long and 200 meter wide at the rate of 8 rupees 8 per 100 square meter. So in this question the length of plot is given 500 meter long and breadth means wide is given 200 meter, and here the given rate of tiling 8 rupees per 100 meter squares. Okay, so in this question first we find the area of land. Okay, it's called area of rectangular plot of land. So how can you find area of land? Because the plot is rectangular shape, so we know the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, so here length is given 500 meter and breadth is given 200 meters. Okay, so if you multiply length and the breadth, then we find the area of square area of rectangular part of land. After this, here rate of tiling is here given here. Rate of tiling is given here 8 rupees per 100 meter square. So let's see what is the cost of tiling. So first you find the area rectangular plot of land. So first write length of land. Length of land is given 500 meter. Okay, breadth of land is also given here. Breadth of land is given here 200 meter. Okay, length of land is given here 500 meter and breadth of land is given here 200 meter, and rate of tiling also given here. Rate of tiling. Okay, what is given here? Rate of tiling is given here. What is the rate of tiling? 8 rupees per 100 meter square. Okay, so rate of tiling is given here rupees 8 per meter square. Per 100 meter square. Per 100 meter square. This is given rate of tiling. Okay, so we need to find cost of tiling of the rectangular plot of land. So for this first we find the area of land. Area of land. Land is the shape of rectangle, so we write it area L into B. Okay, so length is given here 500 meter into breadth is given here 200 meter. Length is 500 and the breadth is 200. So 5 to 10. How many zeros are 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 meter square. Okay, so this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, so this is a area of a plot of land is 1 lakh meter square. Okay, but here rate of tiling is given rupees 8 per 100 meter square. So we find the cost of tiling. Cost of tiling of land. This is equal to area of land divided by rate of tiling. Rate of tiling. Clear? So here you find the area of land is 1 lakh meter square. So you can write here 1 lakh meter square divided by rate of tiling is here rupees 8 rupees 8 by 100 meter square. So meter square cancel 1010 cancel. We have only 30 and 1000 into 8. So in this way you have to here 8000. Okay, 1000 into rupees 8. So we have rupees 8000. This is what? This is nothing but a rate of cost of tiling of rectangular plot of land. Okay. So student, in this question you can see this is given that the rectangular plot of land 500 meter long and 200 meter wide. This is given, and the rate of tiling is also given 8 rupees per 100 meter squares. So for this we first find the area of plot of land, or simply you can see land. The area the land is the shape of rectangle, and this is rectangular shape. So area you know that how to find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is is length into breadth. So your length is given 500 meter and breadth is given 300 meter. So we find the area of rectangular plot of land. This is equal to 1 lakh meter square. Okay. Now the rate of tiling is also given here. What is the rate of tiling? This is a rupees 8 per 100 meter square. Okay. So but we find the area of plot of land is 1 lakh meter square. So we need to find the cost of tiling. So for this we multiply the area of plot of land into rate of tiling. So here if we multiply that, you can see. So we find this into this. Sorry for this mistakes here. Okay. This is given that 1 lakh meter square area, and this is a rate, okay, of tiling 8 rupees per meter square. So if you multiply this, then you obtain 8000 rupees. So I hope this is clear. Again I want to explain this. So this is given length of land is 500 meters and breadth of land is 200 meters. Rate of tiling is given rupees 8 per 100 meter square, and area of land is equal to L into B. This is equal to length is 500 meter and breadth is given 200 meters. In this way we find the area of a rectangular plot of land is 1 lakh meter squares, and the cost of tiling is here given. You can see rupees 8 per meter square. So now cost of tiling is equal to area into rate. Area into rate. So area is here 1 lakh meter square into rate is rupees 8 per 100 meter square. So meter cancel, 20 also here cancel. So here we have 100,000 into rupees 8. So in this way you obtain 8,000 rupees. This is the cost of tiling of rectangular plot of land. Now we are going to discuss next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 have a tabletop measure 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeters. What is its area in square meters? Okay. So here measure dimension of tabletop is given here. Length of table is 2 meter and the breadth of table is 1 meter 50 centimeters. So you need to find area in square meters. Okay. So length is given 2 meters, but breadth is given 1 meter 50 centimeters. So first we convert centimeter in meter. After this we find the area of rectangular tabletop. This is equal to length into breadth. Then we multiply length into breadth. We obtain the area of square rectangular tabletop. So let's see how to find the area of rectangular tabletop. So this is question number 6. This is given here. Length length of tabletop this is given 2 meter. Okay, breadth of tabletop, this is capital L here. Breadth of tabletop, this is equal to 1 meter 50 centimeter. ठीक है. So first we convert 1 meter in 50 centimeter in meter. After this we find the area tabletop. So for this we know that 1 meter is equal to what? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, or you can say 100 centimeter. This is equal to 1 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Clear? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, or you can write it 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, or 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 centimeters. So we have 50 centimeter, so 50 centimeter is equal to 50 by 100 meter. Okay, or you can write it 0.50 meter in decimal. And 50 centimeter is equal to, we can write 0.50 meter. So we can write here 1 meter plus 50 centimeter. Here you can see we convert 50 centimeter in meter. This is equal to 0.50 centimeter. Okay, so 1 meter plus 0.50 meter. Clear? Now this is equal to 1.50 meter. This is clear. So in this way you know very well that the relation between meter and the centimeter is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Clear? So you can write here the breadth of the tabletop is 1.50 meters. Now we need to find the area of tabletop in this square meter. So we write here area of tabletop. Area of tabletop. This is equal to length into breadth. Okay, so length is given here 2 meter and the breadth is 1.50 meters. Now so we can write here, if you multiply 2 into 1.5, then we obtain 3.0 meter. 3.0 meter square, or simply you can write 3 meter square. So you can see here the area of tabletop is 3 meter square. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. In this question, the length of the tabletop is given 2 meter and the breadth of the tabletop is given 1 meter 50 centimeters. First we convert 50 centimeter in meter, then we obtain the area of tabletop. The breadth of tabletop is 1.5 meters. You know very well the tabletop is the rectangular shape, and the area of rectangular is length into breadth. So length is here 2 meters and the breadth is here 1.5 meters. Then we multiply them, then we obtain 3 meters. Okay, so in this way you find the area of tabletop is equal to 3 meter squares. Now we are going to discuss next question. Next question is question number 7. Question number 7 have a room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. A room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. How many square meter of carpet? How many square meter of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? Okay. So here length of floor is given 4 meter and the breadth of floor is also given 3 meter 50 centimeters. So if you multiply them, then you find the area of the square meters of carpet. Find here the area of the floor, that we find here how many square meter of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room. Okay, so let's see how to find required carpet to cover the floor of the room. Here given the length of the room is 4 meter long and the breadth of the room is 3 meter 50 centimeter long. So let's see how to find the floor of the room. Question number 7. Length of room. This is given 4 meter and breadth of room. This is given 3 meter 50 centimeter, or you can write it 3.50 meter. Okay. So area of room, or you can write here area of floor of a room is equal to length into breadth. Area of floor of room is equal to length into breadth. Okay. So this is length is given here 4 meter, breadth is given here 3.50 meter. If you multiply them, you obtain here 14 meter square. You obtain here 14 meter square. Okay. So in this question asks to us how many square meters of carpet is required. Carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room. So we write here square meter. Okay. So needed carpet. Now we write here needed carpet. Okay. Needed carpet to cover the floor of a room. This is equal to 40 meter square. Clear? Now we are going to discuss next question number 8. Question number 8 है a flower is 5 meter long, a floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Floor of the room is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet is 3 meter. A square carpet is 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. The length of the floor is given here 4 meter. Okay. The length of the floor is 5 meter long and breadth is 4 meter. This is given. And area, so first we find the area of the floor and the carpet. Carpet is in square shape. The side of carpet is given 3 meter. So after this we find the area of carpet. Okay. So we need to find here the area of floor that is not carpeted. Okay. So for this we subtract the area of carpet from area of floor. Okay. So let's see how to find that area of land, area of floor that is not carpeted. Okay. So here now this is given the question number 8. Question number 8. Length of floor. Length of floor. This is equal to 5 meter. Okay. Breadth of floor. breadth of floor. This is equal to 4 meter. Clear? So area of floor. What is the area of floor? Area of floor. This is equal to length into breadth. Area of floor is equal to length into breadth. So length is given here 5 meter and the breadth is given here 4 meter. So area of floor, this is equal to 5 into 4. 5 meter into 4 meter. 5 into 4, this is equal to 20 meter. Meter into meter is equal to 20 meter square. So in this way we find the area of floor is 20 meter square. This is clear? In this question, this is given the length of floor is 5 meter and the breadth of floor is 4 meter. So you find the area of floor. This is equal to 20 meter square. Now, again the given say one shape of carpet. So side of carpet is given here. Side of carpet is given here. This is 3 meter. So area of carpet is equal to area of carpet. This is equal to side into side of carpet. Okay. So this is equal to 3 meter into 3 meter. So this is equal to 9 meter square. Clear? In this question, this is given that the side of carpet is 3 meters. Okay, a square carpet of side 3 meter laid on the floor. Okay, so we find here the area of the carpet. Area of the square carpet is side into side, and the side is given 3 meter. So 3 meter into 3 meter. This is equal to 9 meter squares. Okay, this is equal to 9 meter square. So area we need to find area of the floor that is not carpeted. So we write here area of the floor. Area of the floor that is not carpeted. That is not carpeted. Okay. So we write area of the room, area of the floor minus area of carpet. So area of floor is 20 meter square minus area of carpet is 9 meter square. This is equal to nothing but 11 meter square. 11 meter square. So area of the floor that is not carpeted is 20 meter square minus 9 meter square. This is equal to 11 meter square. In this question, this is given that floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of side 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of floor that is not carpeted. Okay, so first you find the area of floor. Okay, because length and the breadth are given 4 into and the 5 meters. So we find area of floor 5 into 4. This is equal to 20 meter square, and the side of carpet is given here 3 meter. So area of carpet, this is equal to side into side. Okay, this is equal to 3 meter into 3 meter. This is equal to 9 meter square. So area of the floor that is not carpeted is area of floor minus area of carpet. So here area of floor is given 20 meter. We find it 20 meter square, and the area of carpet is 9 meter square. We find if we subtract them, then we obtain the area of floor that is not carpeted. Okay, so I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 9. In question number 9, this is given that the 5 square flower bed, each of side 1 meters, are dug on the piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of remaining part of the land? Here the first you find the area of land. Okay, in this question the length of land is given 5 meter and the breadth of land is also given 4 meter, and in this area the 5 square flower bed each side of 1 meter dug on this place. So first we find the area of land, after this we find the area of 1 flower bed, after this area of 5 flower bed, and when we subtract the area of 5 flower bed of the area of land, then we obtain the remaining part of land. Okay, so let's see how to solve this question. Here given the length of land is 4 meter, sorry 5 meter, and the breadth of land is 4 meter. Clear? This is question number 9. Length, this is given here, length of land, this is given 5 meter, okay, and the breadth of land, this is also given 4 meter, okay. So you can find here area of land. Area of land here, what is the area of land? Area of land is equal to length into breadth. So here length is 5 meter given and breadth is 4 meter given. So you can write here 5 meter into 4 meter. This is equal to nothing but we can write here 20 meter square. This is clear? Now again here given the side of square flower bed. Side of square flower beds. This is given 1 meter. So area of 1 square flower bed, this is equal to 1 meter into 1 meter, this is equal to 1 meter square. Clear? Because you know very well the area of square is side into side. Here side flower bed is the shape of square, and side is given here. What is side of square? A flower bed 1 meter, so 1 into 1, this is equal to 1 meter square. So in this way you find the area of 1 flower bed, area of square flower bed. Okay, the area of 1 square flower bed is 1 meter square. So now we have the 5 flower bed, square flower bed. So we find the area of 5 square flower bed. Okay, so area of 5 square flower bed, this is equal to 5 into 1 meter square. This is given 5 meter square. Clear? Now we need to find the remaining part of land. Okay, what is the area of remaining part of land that, okay, in this question this is given the 5 square flower beds, each of side 1 meter, are dug on the piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Okay, so we need to find what is the area of the remaining part of land. Okay, so this area of remaining part of land, we subtract the area of 5 flower bed minus area part of land. Okay, we subtract area of 5 flower bed from area of land. Okay, so we write here remaining part of land. Remaining part of land is equal to remaining part of land, this is equal to 20 meter square, this is area of land, minus 5 meter square, this is a area of 5 flower bed. So here if you subtract then you obtain 15 meter square. Remaining part of land is 15 meter square. Okay, so student, I hope all of you understood. In this question first we find the area of land. This is a 20 meter square. After this, you find the area of square flower bed. This is 1 meter square, but we have 5 square flower bed. So this is equal to 5 meter square, and we need to find the area part of remaining part of land. Area of remaining part of land. Okay, area of remaining part of land. Area of remaining part of land. This is equal to area of land minus area of 5 flower bed. So area of land is 20 meter square and area of 5 flower bed is 5 meter square. So this is equal to 50 meter square. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.